Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be discussing about a new AI tool which has probably started taking over PowerPoint and might actually be the end of PowerPoint. And this AI tool is none other than the new Tome Ai. Tome Ai is a new AI tool that was basically designed to create slides in a more easy and even more engaging manner. So basically, to get started, all you want to do is to go to the site tome.app, or you can just type Tome Ai on your search engine and then you go to their main site. So basically, immediately you type this is basically how the home screen is going to look like. As you can see, this is the website. If you scroll down, you can see more features about this Tome Ai. So basically, speak your mind, whatever you want to say. Tome helps you figure out how to say without losing the nuance or struggling for hours with design and formatting. So basically, Tome Ai, compared to other designing tools such as PowerPoint and the rest, basically all you want to do is to just insert what exactly you want, how you want your presentation to look like, and then Tome Ai creates this design for you in very few minutes. So basically, to get started, all you want to do is to sign in. You can just sign in with your Google account, as I always do. I'm signing with your Google account, as I always do. So basically, as you can see, these are just the templates you can just select from to make things quick and even easier for you. So if it's basically a sale template you want to create, you can just come over here to sales page. If it's going to be a resume design, you can just come here. If it's going to be a lecture for students, whichever design you'd like to create, you all have the templates over here. And if it's something you just want to create entirely, you can just come over here to create, and then you just want to click on it, and then from there you basically want to tell Tome Ai what exactly you want to do from here. So what would you like to do? So let's say I want to create a slide on how to prepare coffee. Okay, and then all you want to do is to just enter. As you can see, Tome Ai is basically generating it for us. So as you can see, this is going to be the title: Brewing the Perfect Cup, a guide to crafting delicious coffee. And then why coffee matters, the perfect cup, choosing your beans. As you can see, Tome Ai is actually constructing each slide for us. And the good thing about this, you can actually select this, you can reconstruct this, you can rearrange it whichever way you like to create it. As you can see, I can just click on this plus icon over here to add my own slide, and if I don't want it, I can just delete it, and then you can just continue from here. So continue, and then it's gonna create it entirely for you. So as you can see, we have one over here, we have 2, 3, 4, 5 till the very end. So guys, as you can see, this Tome Ai is actually very powerful tool in which in very few minutes you can actually create a slide, no matter the type of slide. If it's a company slide, if it's a school project slide, you can actually just come here to Tome Ai and then generate the slide in a very quick manner. So as you can see, this is page 1, Brewing the Perfect Cup, a guide to crafting delicious coffee. And if it's something, if you want to add something, probably you don't like this text style, or you want to add some pictures, you just want to come over here to this plus icon. This is basically to add the title, and you can see we have images, we have text, video, whatever thing you'd like to add, you can basically just add it from this area. And then you have this over here to record a narration. Probably you want to record your voice and as well as the theme, so you can select the theme from here. Probably you want to change it from dark to cream, or you want to change it to lighter or an ocean design. So as you can see, things are actually very easy. And then to just proceed, probably you want to add some other images probably to this this particular slide. Okay, and then probably you want to add something to this particular slide. You can just come over here to Control K. Okay, and then you can just say you want to upload an image from your probably your desktop, or you want to add from the web, or you just want to create an image entirely. You want Tome Ai to create an image for you on the slide. You basically just want to click on this create image, and then you're going to describe how the image is going to be. So I can just say, oh boy. So guys, you can see how powerful this Tome Ai is, and it's actually going to do all these in very few minutes. So as you can see guys, I can just click on these and then it's basically generated a boy for me. So guys, and then I can just keep scrolling on each slides. Okay, as you can see, perfect cup, choosing your beans, to the very end of the slide itself guys. So as you can see guys, this tool is actually so powerful, and in few months or even few years to come, it's basically going to take over a lot of designing softwares, and it's possible we would even have more better designs, better softwares compared to the Tome AI. So guys, make sure to drop a comment down below what you guys think about this new interesting AI tool and what you'd like to see me post in my next video. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also drop a like on this video as well as a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.